informal traders' ability to participate in informal trade is integrally linked to constitutional rights. So it's protected in the Constitution. The Constitutional Court has said that the right to earn money and support yourselves as informal traders and support your families is directly linked to the right to human dignity. Without it, informal traders face humiliation and degradation. And not only just that constitutional rights, but the rights of informal traders' families are also protected. Because if informal traders can't participate in trading, then that affects their families negatively. It affects their families' rights to, for example, basic nutrition, to shelter, to healthcare services. And the courts have recognized all of this very clearly in the court judgments. The second kind of key finding that I want to talk about is a myth that's been completely dispelled by our research. And this is that the law does not protect foreign nationals who want to participate in informal trade. That is incorrect. The law is very clear here. But yet this is a long-standing myth that seems to have existed not only among local government officials, but also among the general public. And this is clear from the Somali Association case, which is discussed in our publication. In that case, the Limpopo Department of Economic Development forcefully shut down 600 foreign-owned informal businesses through its Operation Hardstick. And most of these were owned by Somali or Ethiopian traders. And they kind of refused foreign nationals the ability to register for trading licenses, in spite of the fact that many of these people were in the country legally. And that just speaks to the fact that people don't necessarily follow the law, that government doesn't necessarily always follow the law. In the court case, over this case, the Supreme Court of Appeal unequivocally said that foreign nationals have a right to participate in trade because the right to human dignity says that the Constitution says that the right to human dignity is given to everyone. And the court then, in that judgment, said, if a refugee or asylum seeker is unable to obtain wage-earning employment and is on the brink of starvation, which brings with it humiliation and degradation, and that person can only sustain him or herself by engaging in informal trade, such a person ought to be able to rely on the constitutional right to dignity.